What's up, everybody? It's your boy Wes Grant. You're watching Suburban Nerd. This is a channel where I get my nerd reviews. On today's nerd news, well, I'm doing probably a bunch of videos today because I'm doing a review on The Gifted. If you guys want to check that out, but I'm not sure when this is going to be posted, but probably going to be after The Gifted review. But I want to do an unboxing video, and this unboxing is going to be of a Morrigan statue that I've had for a while now, and just want to kind of just get it over with because it's literally been sitting in this box for like months, and it's pretty decent. I got it for a really good price. I don't know, I'm not even sure how much it was, but let's see. It will come in a box. Statue stand has wings. Morrigan. Okay. Stand. Okay. Anything else in here? No? Okay. So you got the stand. Jesus. Okay. This is out. That's it. You got Morrigan. This Morrigan. It's Morrigan without the, without the wings on her yet. But that's going to change. So let's see. Okay, I'm figuring the wings probably go here. Okay, so yes, this does go here. Okay. Okay. And then this one, this thing, this tape off. So, this is it. So, that's it. So, I'm surprised I got it done. You guys want to check it out right there. Very nice. Morigan from Darkstalkers. If you guys didn't know who this is, you definitely should. She's also in Marvel vs. Capcom, Infinite Marvel vs. Capcom. She's always up in there. But yeah, this is Morrigan, and she's definitely badass. You guys want to check it out a little bit more? Like I said, slow motion spin, get this thing around, and that's okay. Got the little ears, everything just coming out looking nice and squeaky. Alright, so that's pretty much it. If you guys like this, because it's a pretty good statue. Very nice detail, the wings, nice color paint. Sure, it's not perfect, but for the price I got, and I've been looking and I don't see this anymore, so lucky me, right? Because you can't even find it. I went on eBay, Amazon, I don't even see this one no more, so maybe it might have been a limited time or whatever, but that being said, it came out pretty nice for me, and I really like it, so remember to check out, and look at her, she looked like, oh, I'm so fainted, but remember to put on those notifications. If you like this video, if you like the statue that I made with her, remember to put a notification on, like this video, subscribe, check out my last unboxing, check out the playlist of unboxing. And remember, I'm Wes Grant, you've been watching Sub Urban Nerd, and you've just been notified. Catch you guys on the next unboxing.